Alright guys, we're looking at the Chemistry 2 question for the reaction H2 plus Cl2 gives us two hydrochloric acids. The Kc is equal to 1.22 times 10 to the 33 at 28 degrees Celsius. What is Kp at this temperature? So there's basically just one formula that you need to know for this one, and this is that Kp is equal to Kc times R times T raised to the number of change in the number of moles. So I've got all these things defined here for you. Kp is our equilibrium constant at constant pressure. Kc is the equilibrium constant based on the reaction quotient, which they've given you in this problem. R is our ideal gas constant, which is 8.314 joules per mole Kelvin, and T is our temperature, which is 28 degrees Celsius, which is 301 degrees, or just 301 Kelvin, and delta N is the number of moles of our products minus the number of moles of our reactants. So the only thing that we really have to calculate here is our delta N, and then just plug all of these four values in to our original equation up here. And from there it's just a straight chug and plug through a calculator. So our number of moles, our reaction was H2 plus Cl2 is going to give us 2HCl. So our moles of products is 2. Our moles of reactants is -1 plus 1. So we have 1 mole chlorine, 1 mole of hydrogen gas. Going to distribute that negative through, and our change in the number of moles is just going to be 0. So we can plug all of this back into our original equation. Say that Kp is equal to Kc, which they've already given us, is 1.22 times 10 to the 33 times R is 8.314 times T is 301, not 310, times the change in the number of moles. This is just going to be raised to the 0. Now back from algebra, anything raised to a power of 0 is just 1. So everything inside of these parentheses here is just going to reduce down to a 1. So Kp is equal to 1.22 times 10 to the 33. That all reduces down to 1, and that just gives us that Kp is equal to 1.22 times 10 to the 33. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help you out.